Hi everybody, welcome back. Margot. Okay, let's go for the donuts. Yeah, last time we had a birthday cake, so eventually we can go with a donut. This could be very fast. The important thing is that you have a steady hand because we have a lot of curved lines here. So let's say that we start from here and we have, this kind of oval. Yeah, that could work. And we can make it to be wavy because this is actually the icing. The donut will be, the other part of the donut will be.
Some donuts don't have icing, they have salt. No, not salt, sugar.
Yeah, but we are doing it with the icing. And obviously, for being a proper donut, it has to have a hole in the middle. So they are not donuts.
They are.
No, donuts
Then why do bagels have
a hole in the middle?
Yeah.
Because bagels are similar to donuts.
Then why can't other donuts have no holes?
No, donuts have holes.
Some do.
What we usually call like Krafen or something. I don't know if it's German. They have no donuts. Okay, let's keep going on and let's have this one with a sort of a little cut face if we want to. So for doing it, we can go in the middle here and we have two semicircle and a little nose in the middle. And then we can have a little eye here with a little fraction and another little eye here with a refraction, and we make obviously as usual like black, and we can put bigger like this way. We can color the nose black as well, and obviously we are going for the cheeks, that in this case can be round because eyes are very round here, and we can put the round cheeks. And if you want to detail it a bit, eventually one thing that we can put is some lines that may follow the shape. Like imagine to have a little line here. It would have to be not that detailed, a little bit taken there, and some line here that follows the shape as well, and here as well. On the other side. It's just for completing the drawing. So a little bit of lines in here as well, and if we want, because maybe we can make it like floating, we can have a sort of shadow here, not too big, so it shows it's actually in the air. And that's it. Then this one, very quick. What do you think, Margot? You like it? Perfect. So our cut donuts, it's done, and we. I don't know what to put here. So we can put them here, like one here. Yeah. Wait, a little bit more. No, it was too much on the back. And over here. There you go. Cut. Ears. Okay, perfect. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in our next drawing. Bye!